Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this video we will know about hole wizard. For hole wizard I create a block 100 mm by 100 mm and its height is 50 mm. Okay. And draw some points. Right click, select option. Delete this point. Give it some dimensions. 25 mm. 25 mm. 30 mm. 30 mm. 25 mm. Right click, select option. Click on this point and this point. Make vertical. Select this point and this point. Make horizontal. Select this point and this point. Make vertical. Come back from the sketch. Isometric view. Now go to hole wizard. When we open hole wizards, here in hole specification, here is type and here is position. First of all we select hole type. Here is COUNTERBORE, COUNTERSINK, hole. These are the types of hole. I select COUNTERSINK. Now here is standards. You can select any standard according to your requirement. I select ISO. Hole type CTSK, CTSK flat, CTSK raised head, hex socket. I select CTSK flat ISO. Here is hole specification, sizes of hole. I select M4. You can select anyone. Here is fitting, close, normal, loose. We select normal. You can also see here fitting, custom fitting size. And conditions, we select blind. Here you can enter depth of the hole. I select 10 mm. Okay. Now go to positions. 3D sketch, select the points. Okay. So this is the hole wizard. You can also use hole wizard feature without sketch. For that we select this face, normal. Go to hole wizard. Here we select. Now we select COUNTERBORE, ISO, hex bolt grid. Now we select M10. Through all, position, 3D sketch. Now go to sketch, smart dimensions, from here to here, 25 mm, from here to here, 20 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm. Right click, select option. After smart dimensions, click on here, OK. So this is the whole wizard feature. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.